Literacy is traditionally associated with reading and writing, the print media. Visual literacy can be defined as the ability to interpret and create visual images, to communicate visually. The notion of literacy and what it means to be literate has shifted due to our rapidly changing social, cultural, and technological environment. Emergency remote teaching and the increased use of multimodal content highlights the fact that visual literacy is now just as important a requirement as textual literacy. I'm Nick Caine and I work at the University of Nagasaki in Sasebo. At JALT 2020, I'll be giving a live Zoom presentation where I'll be talking about the importance of visual literacy in English education. I'll report on a filmmaking project in which students use their mobile devices to make how-to films explaining aspects of Japanese culture. I'll showcase some examples of their work and explain how the project helped improve their English skills as well as important collaborative, social and decision-making skills. I'll also share a grading rubric that I used for assessment of this project. So I hope to see you at my presentation, which is on November the 22nd at 4:45. Once again, that's
developing
visual literacy
through
film projects
with
Nick Caine.